Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'll be showing you the Lego set, how to make fingerboarding trick stuff out of Legos. So grab your Legos, get some flat pieces. If they're not flat, you can use some tape, like right here. See how I use that tape? Not flat, just use some tape. This it's flat. And then when you're done, you want to put tape on these edges so it can stay without going like this magic track. I used it like that. Put some tape because it was bumpy. I've got this grinding thing. I'll even show you do a grind if I can get my camera set. My camera is set properly. I'm gonna have to hold the camera, so it's hard because I got the camera and I gotta hold that. Oh yeah. And then you can like jump off it, do some tricks if you want. And right here. And right here you can jump this. You can get around like I just showed you. Or you can get the big ramp. Well, first you want to have a desk too. Get the big ramp and go jump off pretty high, go down it, and then flip off it. Right now you guys are watching is a channel with just stuff I want to upload. This is something I want to upload. Just grab your bin of Legos and just start making stuff. Like, see, look at all those marks just from me grinding all that paint. Right now, this is my best advice for you guys. When you get Tech Deck, they give you these wheels right here. They give you when you first get it. These will be the wheels that they'll give you right here. And they'll give you like a tool like that. These wheels, you guys may like them, but I don't recommend them for me. For me, I use the other set of wheels that they come with. These white ones. They work a lot better and they're a lot looser on it. And the bearings are like, on this it's like perfect. Yeah, even these. Like, yeah, you'll get the pieces scratched up, like the markings for focus. But, no one cares. These, I don't know how to put them on. I think you just unscrew it and then put it on like that. And you gotta get it set on there. I don't know. It's just like, it's just gonna, like, they should at least put a sticky thing on there to prevent it. I lost my tool to replace wheels like that, so I might get real Tech Decks. Like, look at this trick I can do. Like, you can, even the best part is about the Legos, you can come up, put your back wheel on it, like on one of these, and just hop right off. Like, if I can show it. Put it like that, and then you can just go like this. I can just do that and go. Do something. Oh, I didn't land that. Didn't land that. Landed it. Didn't land it. Didn't land it. Didn't land it. Or if you guys have a curved sink or some type of sink that's short, like if you have a short bathroom sink, you can use that to go like this and then go up and down like that. And use that. Well, that'll be the end of the video, so see you guys later.